What does it mean when my AirPod case is flashing orange?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to decipher what it means when your AirPod case is flashing orange. This is a common question for AirPod users, and understanding this can help you maintain and troubleshoot your device better. Remember, the color and flashing of lights on your AirPods case aren't just for show. They communicate specific status information about your device.
Understanding AirPods case LED light.
Your AirPods case has an LED light that serves as a status indicator. This light can show different colors and flashing patterns, each one giving a unique message about the status of your AirPods. In our case, we're focusing on the flashing orange light.
What does the flashing orange light mean?
When your AirPods case is flashing orange, it generally means that your AirPods are not pairing properly, or they are in the process of connecting with a device. Additionally, it can also mean that your AirPods need to be reset. Another reason could be that the AirPods are not charging properly, either due to an issue with the lightning cable or the charging source. An orange flashing light is a signal for you to check and rectify these issues.
How to fix the orange flashing light?
If you see an orange light flashing on your AirPod case, you might need to take action. First, check your charging cable and source. Make sure they're working correctly and providing sufficient power. If the problem persists, try resetting your AirPods. This can often resolve minor connectivity or charging issues. To reset your AirPods, press and hold the button on the back of the case with the AirPods inside until the status light flashes amber and then white. After doing this, reconnect your AirPods to your device. In conclusion, an orange flashing light on your AirPods case isn't something to be overly concerned about. It's just a signal for you to check the charging or connectivity status of your AirPods. Now that you know this, you're one step closer to becoming an AirPods Pro user. We hope this video was helpful, and remember, every light on your device has a story to tell. Happy listening!